This is an audio sample from the Rode Wireless Go 2 connected to the Insta360 One X2 with the gain setting on the Rode set to low, and there is a little bit of wind at the moment. And this is an audio sample from the Rode Wireless Go 2 connected to the Insta360 One R 4K mod with the gain setting on the Rode also set to low. Rode claims you can be up to 200 meters away from the camera and still record clear and crisp audio, as long as there is nothing in between the microphone and the receiver. In the box you get two microphones and one receiver. You can record two people talking to each other directly into your video. There are three fairy windshields, one for each microphone and one spare. These will reduce wind noise, three USB-C cables to charge the microphones and receiver, or you can use it to plug in the Go 2 into your computer for tweaking in Rode Central, or you can plug in your receiver into the computer and use your Go 2 as a microphone. There is also a TRS cable to connect your Go 2 to any camera, a quick start guide, and a pouch to store your Go 2. If you want to use the Go 2 with your iPhone, then you'll need to purchase the SE15 cable, which costs £20. The microphone has a 3.5mm jack, so you can plug in an external mic if you want to. It has an excellent built-in mic, battery indicator and pairing indicator. On the side is a USB-C port and power button, and on the back is a clip so you can attach it onto your clothing. The receiver has a LED screen which will show you info like audio levels and remaining battery. There is a power button, and on the side is a USB-C port and 3.5mm TRS out. On the back, the first button controls the audio gain and it can mute the mic, and the second button is for pairing. And on the back is the clip which you can attach securely onto a cold shoe mount. There are two ways to record audio from both microphones. The first way is to merge the audio from both mics into a single channel. The second and better way is to split the audio from both mics into separate channels. This way you can edit the audio from mic 1 and mic 2 independently of each other. To change from merge to split mode, push down the two buttons on the receiver for 3 seconds and then you will see two audio tracks instead of one. Rode Central is a companion app for the Rode Wireless Go 2, available on Windows and Mac. Plug in your devices into the computer and Rode Central will automatically update them to the latest firmware. There are special features in Rode Central which you cannot access on the device itself. Plug in your microphone into your computer and on Rode Central turn on onboard recording mode. Then whenever your microphone and receiver are connected, the microphone will start recording audio automatically to its internal memory. Rode claims it can store over 40 hours of compressed audio. You now have a backup audio in case your wireless signal cuts out. You can access these recordings in Rode Central when you plug in the microphone into your computer. Then you can play back your recordings and export them to your computer. A single click of the gain button will cycle between the high, medium and low gain settings. In Rode Central you can access finer gain controls for more precise tweaking. You can turn on safety channel mode. In this mode, the audio from both microphones will be merged into the left channel and the right channel will record the same audio at -20 dB. The windshield has been redesigned to attach more securely to the microphone. Push the windshield down and twist to lock it into place. On average, the battery life is between 6 to 7 hours. If you want the freedom to walk and talk in your immersive 360 video, then try this setup. The receiver only weighs 32 grams, so I stuck it to the monopod using some blue tack. I wrapped a 1 meter male-to-male 3.5mm aux cable around the Best360 monopod. Then in post you can remove the nadir. You can walk and talk around your camera without any issues because the setup isn't visible as long as you keep the cable in the stitch line. If you want to walk and talk in your reframed 360 video, just like this, then try this setup instead. On the bottom of the Best360 selfie stick, I screwed on a 1/4" 20 male-to-male adapter, screwed on a cold shoe adapter, slipped the receiver into the cold shoe, then wrapped a 1 meter male-to-male 3.5mm aux cable around the Best360 selfie stick to connect the audio adapter and receiver. The Rode Wireless Go 2 cost £279, which I bought with my own money. It's in the same price range as the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro B2 and the Hollyland Lark 150. These come with its own charging case and a pair of lapel microphones, which the Rode Wireless Go 2 does not include. I love being able to charge up the microphones and receiver using one USB-C cable, and if I'm out and about I'll get some extra juice with the charging case, but with the Rode Wireless Go 2 you need to charge the two microphones and receiver using a USB-C cable each, and this is just more inconvenient than the Saramonic or Hollyland Lark 150. The Rode Wireless Go 2 has the best form factor and compatibility with Insta360 cameras. It's the smallest, lightest and most high quality dual wireless microphone system I've ever used. So I'll leave a link to this in the video description. If you have a question, then comment below. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more reviews in 360 seconds or less, and I'll see you in the next video.